Howdy friends, reading from Iowa 80, world's biggest truck stop.
Hey guys, reporting from the Iowa 80 Truckers Jamboree 2010. Taking a little break in my truck. I'm going to show you the trucks here. I don't have as much time as I normally do, but we'll go make a little walk around to some of the trucks. First we're going to set up with this truck that they washed in hot water and it gone went and shrunk. Someone's getting his picture taken. I guess he'd like to have this truck.
This is too funny.
Okay. Here's the truck that I liked so much in Mid-America in March. Nice truck there. Oh wowie, look at that red truck. That's my second favorite truck. My favorite truck ain't here. We all know who that is. Sorry Hank too, just kidding around.
And they were like 80,000 miles per hour.
You know Peterbilt? Almost missed this one. That's Colin in the background. Thank you. Check out this old K-Whopper, 1964. I was only 12 years old when that came out. Nice. Yeah, he's gonna get a little extra time. What horsepower do they have? 400 coming. I guarantee it didn't come with a 400 coming. But I have a 335. The puppy dog, Superline Mac. Look at all those trucks over there, they washed too hot and shrunk.
I said I heard
That's a dehydrated truck. Put some water on them and they grow.
Yeah, never win with you, mate. Huh? Never win with you. I'll tell you what.
I'm going to stop it now so this memory doesn't get too... Okay, I'm still here. Okay, I'm going to walk up, check these trucks out. Now coming up after this Peterbilt is one of the nicest puppy dogs in America. Sumper. That's because of the sound of the engine. I love the sound of that V8. See? Sumper. Peterbilt. Truck coming.
And then I got here, I couldn't go to sleep. Yeah, that's till 9 o'clock at night.
A shrunk BJ and the Bear truck. And a pickup truck on steroids. He must have ate his Wheaties. Some old trucks. I really want to get back to my truck. I don't like being alone. I left the door open. I don't want to be alone so long. We're going to pan around and get this shot right here.
There we go. She's got it rolling. Come on, Florida.
Okay, now I'm going to walk down the other aisle. So I'm going to turn the rig camera off until I get down there. Guys, I'm getting closer. See a truck I like, so I'm going to walk towards it. It looks something like what my truck would do. And it's for sale. If I had a truck like that, it wouldn't be for sale.
1932. I'm just kidding. It's 1432. I just want to
Okay, let me get over here. I don't want to neglect these trucks. Hey, and there's Colin Stewart's truck.
Whenever you're ready.
Let's see if Colin is home. Anyone home? Guess not.
Time. 10:63 by Gerald.
There he is.
You're Hank, aren't you?
Yeah, that's me.
Highway Hank.
Filming for Highway Hank right now.
Oh, great. We're Facebook buddies.
Yeah.
We're a modern truck driver.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Well, Hank's got some videos of this truck on
YouTube. I gave it its own video last year at this show.
Oh, see.
In fact, it took 2 parts to do. They only allowed me 11 minutes. Well, they allowed me 10 minutes, but I found I can go up to 10 minutes and 59 seconds, so. You know, us truck drivers always pushing the limit, right?
That's right. Yes. Don't tell a wider.
You know, one thing, you know, and maybe you would have opinions about, somebody needs to.
Ooh, nice Peterbilt. Oops, I said the P word. Couldn't help it. I still like cab overs. Can't help it. No one would hire my cab over, so I bought a conventional. Still like cab overs. Ah, Josh would have liked that truck. He was crazy about T600.
Go. Come on, Merle. Don't let it beat ya.
He even have a T600 engraved on his gravestone.
Look at him go. Look at him go.
Nice Freightliner.
47.
Want to give him all credit. Another nice T600.
All right, who's up next? Big John's up next.
Big sleeper. Oh, wowie. Look at that big red truck. Wonder who that is.
Ready. Whenever you're ready. Going. He is off.
Oops.
Going. Going. Pull it. Time.
In 2001, this was my parking spot, but I got here too late. I had work to do.
Holy smokes.
And I couldn't use power tools once I was here, so. Okay, I'm going to check on Hank too, and then I'm going to walk through real quick and do pictures from my Facebook and Flickr friends. That's it for this video. If I get a chance, I'll do the antiques also. Okay, for now, we go boogie, boogie, bye-bye from Iowa 80, Truck Stop Iowa 80 Jamboree in Walcott, Iowa.